We'll guide you through how to delete and clear recent files in Photoshop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Photoshop and we're on the home page and you can go and see the recent files here. So what you may want to do is just go and delete one specific one, or you may want to go and clear them all. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through this step by step. So if you just want to go and do one specific one, then what you need to do is go and open up your File Explorer and go and find where it is. So for example, this one here, the plant one, is on my desktop. So what I'm going to do is go and click on it on my desktop, and you need to go and rename it like so. After you've gone and changed the name of it, you want to click on it in Photoshop. It will say it can't be opened. Press OK and it will refresh and be removed. However, if you just want to go and clear them all, then what you can do is click on File in the top left, hover over Open Recent and click on Clear Recent File List. When you do that, they'll then all be cleared as you can see. If you found this useful, then please leave a like for more.